Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to check when do you need to add diesel exhaust fluid to your 2018 Jaguar F-Pace. This is gonna apply to various Jaguar vehicles equipped with 2-liter turbo diesel engines that require diesel exhaust fluid. So first things we need to do is to turn accessories on. So we'll have to press this stop start button once, and we will not start the vehicle. So you just press it once. Now we're gonna switch to this dashboard here, and on the left side of your steering wheel you have the menu button. So you wanna press this menu button and you wanna scroll down until you get vehicle info. Then you will press OK, and now you wanna scroll down all the way to the next service. When you're at next service, you will press OK, and now right here you can see range to empty before you need to add diesel exhaust fluid. When your diesel exhaust fluid is at the low level, you will get message on the dashboard that you need to add some diesel exhaust fluid. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribe to my channel. Bye.